The noun verb 解決 is used when there is a problem or trouble. You hear it in meetings, news, and customer support. 解決は問題やトラブルの場面でよく使います。会議やニュース、サポートの会話でよく聞きます。解決 is about finding an answer to a problem and bringing the issue to an end. 困っていることに答えを見つけて、揉め事を終わらせることです。The first kanji means to loosen, untie, or explain. It suggests taking something complex and making it clear. You can feel this in words like bikai and kaisetsu. Both are about making meaning open. The second kanji means to decide or to set. It gives a sense of fixing a result. You see it in kittei and kesshin. Both point to a firm choice or resolve. This problem can be solved quickly. この問題はすぐに解決できます。この問題はすぐに解決できます。We all talked together and solved the problem. みんなで話し合って問題を解決しました。みんなで話し合って問題を解決しました。We are aiming for an early resolution. 早期の解決を目指しています。早期の解決を目指しています。This is a problem that is difficult for us to solve on our own. このトラブルは私たちだけでは解決が難しいです。このトラブルは私たちだけでは解決が難しいです。The most common synonyms of the word are kaisho and wakai. Kaisho focuses on removing or canceling something like stress or debt. Wakai is about mending a relationship or settling a dispute between sides. Kaiketsu is more general and covers both finding and ands. The most common antonym of the word is mikaiketsu. It means the problem still has no answer and is not finished. This is the opposite of kaiketsu, which ends the issue.